Hey team, so I wanted to clue you in on a resource that most of you probably know about, but just in case, I thought I'd do a little tutorial on how to use it. It's called Mapmyrun.com. So since we can't use the track, or the cross country course, it's really helpful for stuff that's like a weird interval distance, like 200 meters or 50 meters or something. So the first thing you got to do is go to the website mapmyrun.com and make an account. And so we sign in, and then I click on Create Route up here, and it's going to take me to Chicago because I've been too lazy to update it. Well, not really update it, change it. I never did live in Chicago. So we changed that. What you would want to do is type in your street address. So you can kind of cue in on your neighborhood and find like a fire hydrant or a playground or some kind of landmark that you could use to measure the approximate distance of like 100 to 200 meters. I'm going to do a more nondescript example, and I'm going to shoot for Forest Park. So I'm just going to get to Noblesville and click return. So when you get onto the website, what it's going to do is it's going to do, I think, the map setting. But what I had it on originally was satellite, and this is what's going to come in handy when you're doing something in your neighborhood, because you can find those landmarks that you can't see on a map. So I'm going to go to satellite, and I'm going to zoom into Noblesville, and there's the downtown square, and then there is the White River, and then there is the footbridge that we take across, and then there is Forest Park. So this is the entrance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to a spot that we can kind of all identify because we've all run it before. It's right where the Greenway is going to cross Forest Park Drive. So it's where you do that kind of weird turn and go across it. So I'm going to start my route by clicking right when we get across it. So right there. And then I'm going to try and find where 200 meters is. So to make your route, you just keep going along the course. So I follow the Greenway. And the other nice thing about this, other than satellite, is that it goes to hundredths of a mile. So we are at 0.04, so that's just past 50 meters. So then I can, let's say we're doing 200 repeats. So then I can keep going. I'm at 0.07. So we're not quite there yet. We're almost there. 200 is going to be about 0.125. And so I'm going to get up here, and we're at about 0.13. So what that does is that shows us something. If we look right by here, we're going to see that little pathway. So when you get to that little pathway, right before you get to that Angel of Hope monument that they put there, that's just a hair longer than 200 meters. So this can help you just find a nondescript course in your backyard and then make it more precise, assuming you don't have like a GPS watch or something. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but it helps give you a guide on some course that you can make, just using your computer. So anyway, I hope that was helpful.